Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about Apophyllite crystal. This piece is a part of the crystalline light collection. On my latest exploration looking for crystal, I came across an amazing collection of Apophyllite, and I have the privilege of showing some of them to you today. This particular collection is from India. You know, people suggest that Apophyllite has a healing property and it helps with your mind, spirit, and body. It's also known of having the power of vision. The belief is that wherever Apophyllite is placed, it enhances the energy due to its ability to transmit powerful vibration. Imagine the impact this sculpture will have in your environment. Its presence alone will help unconsciously remove any blockages wherever they are mental, physical, spiritual, or emotional. Will that be beneficial to you? To learn more, go to doritfindart.com. My name is Dorit Schwartz, and I'm the artist that created this collection. Until next time, sending you love and light.